macaroni salad. Please help me to grow my YouTube channel. Please, to all my dear friends in all over the world, keep watching my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you all. Please continue to support my YouTube channel to grow. Thank you to all my dear friends in all over the world. This is my simple macaroni salad, my son favorite. I made it only through for what I have inside in our home, the things that I have inside our home. So this is only not complete ingredients. The important is we have something to eat. That is the important. So delicious, even though not complete ingredients. Just only fruit salad, and then fruit cocktails, then macaroni, cream, and cheese. That is all I put here. Please support me, my dear friends in all over the world. Help me to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you all. Stay healthy and blessed. And your family. God bless you all. God bless. God bless. Thank you.